process? Have you learned about other processes or cycles? Did you think of the life cycle of a butterfly or a frog or a chicken? As you've learned, a cycle repeats and one step leads into the other. The engineering design process works the same way. Because engineers are always trying to improve things, items that we use all of the time have changed over the years. Engineers' initial ideas rarely solve the problem. Instead, they try different ideas and learn from their mistakes and then try again. The steps engineers use to arrive at a solution are called the design process. Let's talk about the steps in the process. Number 1, define the problem. This is when we ask what the problem is, what the requirements are, and what the constraints or rules will be. Number 2, plan your solutions. This is brainstorming. You think about how you can solve the problem. Write down several ideas, never stop at just the first one, and draw a picture of what your solution might look like. It can even change over time. Think about all the materials that you'll be using. Number 3, build your prototype. You may discover that your original plan needs to change or that materials don't work the way you had planned. It's okay to adjust as you go. Number 4, test and evaluate the prototype. As you're testing, take note of what works and what doesn't and why. Remember, failures are important parts of the process. Use it as an opportunity to make your design better. Number 5, reflect and redesign. Sometimes this step begins happening during testing. Make sure you're writing down your redesign ideas, possibly even drawing them out. And then number 6, share the solution. By some, this is considered to be the most important part in the engineering design process. Every scientific discovery or success of engineering would be a waste if it weren't shared with the world, as well as stories of the failures along the way.